How to find good and cheaper deals on Booking.com. If you're looking for the best deals on Booking.com, there's a simple way to find them directly within the app. Start by opening the Booking app and navigating to the bottom right corner, where you'll find the My Account option. Tap on it, then scroll through the list until you see the Deals section. Once you tap on Deals, a search form will appear, allowing you to enter your desired date range, destination, and number of guests, just like a standard search. However, if you scroll down a bit further, you'll notice something interesting. Booking.com has already curated a list of top deals for you, highlighting discounted stays that you might not have come across otherwise. Take your time browsing through this hand-picked selection. There's a good chance you'll find an incredible deal that fits your plans perfectly. Whether you're searching for a last-minute getaway or planning your next vacation in advance, this feature can help you save money while still booking great accommodations. Try it out and see what hidden deals you can uncover. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.